Peace, assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena Rashid, and I am coming to you to talk to you today about Scentsy and why I joined Scentsy and why I think it would be a good idea for you to join Scentsy. So I joined Scentsy in 2011 in February. But this is my Scentiversary month coming up. It'll be 10 years. In a few more days, it'll be 10 years I joined Scentsy. So my original plan when I joined Scentsy was just to buy the warmers and make cute little gifts like this here. This is a Scentsy warmer. Isn't this cute? It looks like a little teen jacket, right? And this was from convention in 2011. Not 11. Got you in St. Louis. It was 2014. Says it on the box. 2014. Scentsy Spirit, right? That was the theme. So that's when they came up with the slogan Scentsy, and then everybody hollers Spirit. So it was just fun, fun, fun. So we had these little pom-poms that they gave us, and you waved the pom-poms at convention, and that was fun. And so that's why I joined Scentsy, so I could take the little warmers and make baskets out of them, and it would just be fun. But my first convention was in Indianapolis, Indiana. Okay? So when I first joined Scentsy, my cousin invited me to join Scentsy, my cousin Levita, but she invited me like in 2009, but I was like, nah, I don't want to join right now. I'm busy. I have my little store location. I'm doing good financially, and I'll buy some wax. I bought my 6 bars. That was good. So, but fast forward 2011, I changed my mind a little bit, and I just called her and said, I think I'm gonna join. I went to her website and I joined, and that was it. And so I was just doing my little gifts for the different holidays, for Easter and Mother's Day and Valentine's Day and all that, and everything was fine. Everything was going great. But then life happened, right? My husband was at work, and a tree that was in the yard next door fell on the garage that he was working in, and he was electrocuted on top of getting a spinal cord injury. So all of the work that he had up in the air, the jobs had to be finished, so I had to basically just stop what I was doing and make sure all the jobs got finished and turned in. So I became the contractor. I was the contractor's wife, which, I had my lead license, okay, so I could go in and clean up behind, the workers and paint and all that, because I had my lead license with the state. But I really wasn't working with the work like really hands-on a lot, because my husband had a team of people. So getting back to the story, the reason why I stayed with Scentsy though over the years is because of the friendships I've developed and the camaraderie. And this is my vision board. I did this vision board in 2007 when Oprah had that author of The Secret on her show, and we have Sister Day every month up until pandemic. We haven't been able to do Sister Day because of the pandemic, but we would have Sister Day every month. Me and my sisters would get together, and they said, oh, we watched The Secret, one of the Sister Days at my house. I said, oh, that's such a great idea. Everybody need to do a vision board. So I said, okay, y'all do y'all vision board and bring it to the next Sister Day, which was going to be in January. Well, nobody did their vision board but me. And I basically had this on just basically a poster board. I since kind of fastened everything to a cork board, but I just had it on a poster board then, just pictures and things. And really, David Bach, so I read for motivation, things to just help me now. I'm a mother of 7 children. So I helped a lot of people with homework over the years, okay? So after folks got big enough to do their own homework and graduated, went on off to college and all that, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to read, but I'm going to read what I want to read now. So I read a book by this Bach, David Bach guy. And he was saying, goals are good, but it's better to have values. What values do you want to promote in your life, to build up in your life? And so I developed values that I wanted to promote in my life. So my different values, I put them on my board, and I put things on my board that I felt would help me achieve, happiness in those areas. Okay, so I had my Sister Day value down here at the bottom with a picture family of my folks at a wedding when my son got married in Ohio, Bilal. So I had that family picture there because family is important to me. And bonding with family and movie days and dinners and things like that, that's fun to me. That's good. Okay, I wanted that in my life. Gardening gives me peace and relaxation. That's what I enjoy doing. So I love going to garden tours. I love working in my garden. This is my bestest friend for like 20 years. She's one of my garden club members. Sue, we went on a garden tour, and one of my other friends took this picture and sent me this picture. It's just a cute picture of us in the garden. Got my Scentsy shirt, of course, right? But that brings me joy. I love that. Okay? Then travel. I wanted travel in my life. I thought that was important to have travel in my life. When my children were small, we couldn't go nowhere, okay? 7 kids, you can't travel. Where you going? All right, with 7 kids, right? We would go around the city to the zoo and to this and to that, but no. We would travel sometime for convention, the Muslim convention and things like that, but that's about it, okay? But as far as extensive travel, no. All right, so travel was on my board. This is before Scentsy, okay? Taking care of myself was important. So I had that over here in the corner. Exercising, eating correctly, and preserving my health. That's important. Then I have my religious life. That's important. That's here in the middle. Praying, going to prayer, communing with people that have a like mind, all right? That's important to me. That's a value. Then over here, my home. I have my home, and I have a car. At the time, I was driving an old Dodge Durango, okay, that was on its last leg. I had on here, thank you, God, for my new car, okay, down here in the corner. I had up here at the top here, my picture of my home. Thank you, God, for my home. It's paid for because you have to put in the vision of what you want, okay? You want your home to be paid for. You want your new car to be paid for, okay? You don't know how it's going to happen, but you put it in the universe. That's what you want, all right? So I put those on my board. Thank you, God, for my home that's paid for. We had a mortgage, all right? I didn't even have a new car, okay? I done bought a new car, the car paid for, my house paid for. I done traveled to all kind of places. I done been to Barcelona, Spain, Capri, Italy, all over the United States with Scentsy. Okay, so I'm just saying, my goal, in helping other people. That's another thing on here. Values, helping other people, giving back. I want to give back. So my way of giving back is doing fundraisers. I've given thousands of dollars to worthy causes over the 10 years that I've been doing Scentsy because I contribute to organizations that's trying to do something positive. All right? That's trying to help people. And God blesses you when you bless others. That's how it works. That's how it works. So my goal is to help other people reach their goals. Nobody really wants to be struggling and living paycheck to paycheck and worrying about how they're going to pay their bills, how they're going to pay their house note, how they're going to pay their car note, how they're going to feed their children. People really don't want that. They want to be stress-free and worry-free. And so Scentsy can help you to do that. You get what you put into Scentsy, though. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. If you don't put any effort in, you're not going to get anything out of it. I'm going to tell you that right now. But if you work the business, Scentsy will help you. I have support of my whole Scentsy family now. When I went to convention, I found my tribe. It is just something about being in a room with thousands of other people that love something as much as you love it. It's just something special about it. One convention, Heidi was speaking, and she was talking about fireflies and how unique they are, and don't forget to stop and watch the fireflies, right? And I have fireflies in my backyard when I'm out there sometime at night working, and I'm out there late. Folks stop. Don't you need to come in the house? Anyway, you'll see fireflies, And what she did, she told people to take out their cell phone and cut on the light on their phone if they joined Scentsy in 2004 when Scentsy first started. And then she said if you joined in 2005 and so forth and so on, and then you kept seeing the lights, more lights and more lights and more lights and more lights, till the whole room just lit up with lights. It was just mind-blowing. It was just mind-blowing. So half of all the profits, which was over $800 million last year, went to Scentsy Consultants. Half of everything they make, they give out in commissions. They don't sell anything themselves. You're not going to see Scentsy promoting the products themselves and cutting the consultants out. They don't do that. If a person goes to Scentsy.com, they send them to a consultant after they get through picking out what they want. They ask them to pick a consultant in your area, and that's where the commission goes, to that consultant that's working their business. So I invite you to go to my website and check Scentsy out. Message me if you're interested in being a part of something big, something really big that can help your family and that can help other people. So what is the point? What is the point of having everything that you need, but you see other people around you that are suffering? That is not good. That is not good. So I'm here to help anyone that needs help making ends meet. I can show you how to get started. So we have a wonderful family. We have a wonderful Scentsy family, and we will support you. We will support you in your new business. So if you're ready to get started, I'm ready to help you. So make your vision board. Get in your mind what you want, the values that you want to promote and build in your life, and the things that you want to do, and you can make it happen. You can definitely make it happen. So thanks for watching. Peace. Assalamu alaikum.